Alright, let that sit. Okay, so way to go look at the parts book to see how this went together. So the big fat washer goes against the bracket here, and then there's no washer over to this side. And there's a washer and a flat and a lock on under each head of the bolt. And put a little Loctite on there. Now I might have to drop this down for it to go on, I'm not sure. Basically I tighten everything all up together and let it drop it down. Probably have to drop it down before we go in, I bet.
We're not even close.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, go ahead and put a couple of turns on that head over there and then we'll drop this thing down.
it's not that we're that way, we're this way.
Yeah, I know.
Far, we're long, not up down, we're long.
We gotta loosen this all up so it moves a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, that's a long ways off.
Yeah, well, it's gonna drop down anyway. That was your open end. Should be loosened up quite well, I would think. I need just about a half a turn of looseness is all I need. Not yet.
No. No, no.
That's enough. Get on this side over here. Kill yourself, I think. Just come here to the front. Flip the wrench over 180. There you go. Can't see it.
Oh, there you go.
There it is. Okay, that's it. That's all we need. And these ones here. Let's lift things up a little bit. All this stuff moves side to side of the wall.
Ready?
Don't need that. It's loose. Very loose. And the center bolt, how tight is it? That's good. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so now let's put the weight on the bike. Okay, look out. I'm gonna come in here. Okay, you're gonna try to pull this out. Got it? Yep. The problem is we got this bolt in there, which is a big problem.
She's a little too tight. She's like really on there.
Okay, we got this bolt unloosened. It's a free flag. All right. Okay, got weight right now. Okay, let me see here.
We need to go left.
I know, you just better get in there. Over your hand, so I can see. Okay. So we got tighten in. Do I need more or less? We good?
We just need to.
We get one extension, makes it a lot easier. One extension, way out here, you're not hitting anything. Get that soft to go. Don't tighten it.
Just bump it.
Leave it full loose, don't even bump it. Bottom out, come back up a quarter turn, okay? Okay. Okay, we're assuming everything's going to be back where it is, but see, everything's got clearance, so we don't know if the motor's actually back where it was supposed to be or not.
Well, this will hold the motor where it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah, but everything's moved, so it might change. You have to realign the bike. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get these tightened up here. Get these going here. Not kind of here or something, or?
Oh, no.
Come in here like this. Can't you get in here with this thing like
Yeah,
that?
you're on it right there.
Good, good. Now where's your tool? It's mine. Don't you have one of these?
Nope.
Why not? I know there's metal in a bucket right over there.
So is that 9?
You know why there's one in the bucket over there? I think it's broken. One of them is broken. That's it, right there. Right under it. No, straight down. Under that one. Under it, straight down. That one. Under it, next to it. Don't you keep grabbing one right under it. There you go. That's not it. One right next to it. Right there. That's the one.
You know, it'd be easier if you just bend over and pick it up.
I was going to because
You're bitching.
you were having a problem. No, I think I broke this thing. I just don't remember which one I broke. This one doesn't look broken, but I thought I broke this thing. I probably broke it such a good job you can't tell. All right. Somewhere in there like that. Now, you're supposed to tighten with your part, not my part. So let it come all the way toward me, as far as it'll go. And then when I get mine at full tight, you can give it the gorilla grip. Now watch out, the wrench is broken, it's going to release. Okay, I need a cushion to chew on my fingers here. Is it getting tight or what? Doesn't feel like it's getting tight. It's not getting any tighter. What kind of nuts are these?
Oh, it feels tight to me. So tight. I can turn, but that's fucker's tight.
My torque, it just never got tight.
It's weird.
Is that just a regular lock nut or big fat nut or what? Let's try this one. This is really loose. Come around the front here. Same thing. Shoot. Right there. Same deal, you pull it toward you and it gets tight. If it gets tight. These don't feel very good. These are not Tatro torqued. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't think it's tight, but okay.
Fucker.
It's your tight, not my tight.
That's tight.
That hardware sucks. You need better hardware. You're happy?
What is it? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top.
I think the nut's stripping. They never got tight, for me anyway. They're torqued, so. You want to pull it safe? I'd say pull the nut, one of them out and see what the nut looks like.